name is Mian Liep, and I want to tell you about my favorite thing at school. Every morning I walk into my classroom with a big smile. My teacher said that smiles are like sunshine, and I love to share mine. In class I get to draw. I love using bright color. Sometimes I paint flower or butterfly. When I draw, it makes me feel calm and happy, like I am in my own little world. At recess, I play with my friend. We run around, laugh, and play tags. So nice to be outside, feeling the sun on my face. I also love reading books. Sometimes I read about magical places or brave heroes. It makes my heart feel like I am flying. After school, I like to explore nature. I find pretty flowers and bend down to smell them. They smell so sweet. It reminds me to slow down and enjoy the little things. All these activities make me feel peaceful inside. When I smile, draw, play, read, and enjoy nature, it fills my heart with joy. Thanks for listening to my story.